I got called onto a job over here. I have to sand some drywall patches and do a primer coat. I guess the homeowner isn't confident in doing it themselves. So I do offer a priming surface where I just come in and basically do a light sanding and then primer. I'm going to use a Kilz primer. I'm going to just get all my basic stuff ready. This little thing I like to use because it's easy to carry around. Cool little thing. Of course, I'm going to need basics for painting. My tarp. I'm not painting a lot of patches. It's less than a half a dozen patches. So I basically had to just charge a trip fee to come here and do this because it's such a small job. I'm going to be sanding, so I am going to use a dust mask. Not a lot of sanding. If there was a lot of painting involved, I'd use plastic, but I think I'll be good with the masking machine and the tarp for this situation. I'm basically just going to bring everything I need in. This I have to do some angle, meet the angle, so I might just use a knife and just paint up the angle. But let's see. So if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna use one of my old knives. So if I get paint on it, no big deal. Whenever I do primering, I like to keep a rag, a damp rag, just in case I drop any paint. Primer, I can get it all sealed up. Sanding head, sanding pole. So I don't often do painting with drywall repairs. Sometimes people will ask me if I can come in and do some sanding and primering. Sometimes a trip charge for me to come out and do such a small job costs more than them just doing it themselves. So we're just going to offer this service today. I'm going to just go in, put down my tarp, mask, give a light sanding. We're going to open up their primer that they got. It's a Kilz primer, and get everything all primered up for them, and then be out of here within 30 minutes or so. Simple job, in and out. So should bring the 4-foot ladder. Also, I got my hose. I got a hose bib over there, so if I do have to wash up. But first things first, let's go inside, greet the homeowner, get set up, and we get going on this. Hey. Yeah. Ready? Don't need much. Well, yeah, we do once in a while, yeah. Sometimes it's just people don't want to pay for us to come back out. That's why we do minimum trips because they think the job takes 10 minutes, but they don't realize we have to drive there and do it. And we're giving up at least 2 hours to just do a 10-minute job, you know? It's fine. It's just a primer. It's really not that important, but if you want it perfect, you always sand this type of texture and put a primer on it. Just makes it the best finish. A lot of people try to use a paint and primer in one, but I always recommend just using a quality primer like this. It just seals it up, and that way when you go to paint, if you just try to put paint on the drywall patch, it just tries to soak into it. Yeah, that stuff works good, but I still, you gotta, this just seals up the mud. Yeah, that's a mud, new texture, so it wants to soak up all the paint. So that's why you just do a cheap sealer like this, and for the price, why not? Just get it all sealed up. All right, those two are done. All right, keep it simple. Don't need much primer. One more repair. I was just trying to keep it easy here. All right. Nothing to it. I really like this thing with the mat. First coat, let's get some more. That's about it. All right, so you guys noticed didn't do too much talking in there because the homeowner's in there working on their computer, so I don't want to make a bunch of noise. Also, I didn't want to make a big old mess. So you see how I was just doing a little bit of primer in there. I'm not trying to turn this into a painting project. It's a lot easier to do this primering before you come in and do the painting process, because with painting, you're going to have to mask off everything, contain your paint. So sometimes it's easier to do the primering just before you paint. So you already have plastic down for the painting and whatnot. But this homeowner wasn't comfortable in sanding it themselves. They're comfortable painting it themselves, and they weren't going to hire someone to paint it.